We tried to slurp one last night on the seep dive, and it started to run away.
Oh, really? Yeah, did you guys get any fauna from the seep site?
Gonna call it another
They
day,
were
Yep.
Bridge now.
scooping clams.
Oh, from the last dive?
From the dive, yes, it was, what, noon to 8 yesterday. And they took several urchin samples from different seep sites.
Yeah, sorry, I was asking about the seep that we encountered on this dive. I was wondering if there were any fauna collected from there, but I know you guys probably were not on watch either.
I wasn't aware.
I guess I'm the one who
I
could look
think
back at that.
they took 3 push cores
Yeah,
of
see the
sediment,
cores.
and I think decided against. So the shovel is apparently being reserved for coral rubble, I think, on this particular dive. So we didn't take any clams, and then Andrew was also saying that he didn't need to collect tube worms, but we got some good video zooms.
Nice.
Really wanted to see if they were alive, and was able to confirm that, and also just make sure that there was nothing unusual kind of living with the worms.
Was that on your first shift, Abby? 4 days?
Yes, yeah. It was just round the corner from one of those rocky outcrops with huge bubblegum corals and big heterocones. Suddenly we started seeing these clams. Andrew popped up out of nowhere. I think he was probably watching in the background. Something like it to see.
Wish I'd been up for it. I really wanted to see that. Cool though that was seen.
I keep hoping, so in the literature you read about carnivorous sponges being found in large numbers near certain seep sites, but it doesn't seem to be something that we get off the west coast here, but I kind of...
That would be awesome to see. Oh, baby thorny head.
Would be really awesome.
Could you tell us more about those carnivorous sponges?
Yeah, so there's various different types,
What's
basically
what's the ship move speed?
0.5.
Roger. Sorry, go ahead.
What was that?
So unlike most sponges, which are sort of filter feeders and rely on creating a current through their body tissues and extracting particles of food from the water column, the carnivorous sponges have adapted so that they can feed on things like tiny crustaceans. So one species that we will probably see here is Asbesta pluma, and they look like little pipe cleaners, and they have these hooked spicules that sort of act like Velcro. And the little crustaceans will get stuck within those on those hooks, and then the sponge gradually basically absorbs their tissues, and feeds off them.
Do they filter feed with choanocytes also, in addition to that kind of supplemental food for from the Velcro?
No, as far as I'm aware, they don't. They don't have that kind of filter feeding system.
Oh, that's very interesting.
Again, that's a bold statement, and I have to just double check I'm not talking nonsense. But no, I think they do rely on those hook-shaped spicules.
Want to make the next move north?
It's up to you. Yeah, I know. Is that where we need to go, north?
Pretty much.
Yeah, roger.
Bridge nav. 1 step 40 meters, bearing north, speed 0.5.